Here are the double slit interference lines in a laser pointer projected on a wall. This is probably one of the easiest ways to do this. And the setup is just a laser pointer with a big binder clip holding it up and keeping the on button on. I just used a wooden old cigar box. There's one razor blade with a binder clip, the second razor blade, and what goes in between them, you try to get them as close together as possible, but in between them you have this little pin sticking up out of the box. You have it sticking straight up like a flagpole, and then you get interference lines.